Home values fell in 27 states last month, and nearly 500,000 more sellers than buyers are in the market. That's a new record. Real estate guy Mitch Roschelle, is that a glimmer of hope for values down in 27 states, more sellers than buyers? Is that a hopeful sign?
More sellers than buyers, supply and demand. That's why values are falling on the margin. But if you're a home buyer and there's more homes on the market, that's a good thing, right? The issue that has plagued this housing market is a lack of supply of homes. So the fact that we're seeing people put their homes on the market and there's homes that are actually available to buy, I think that that's a good thing for the industry. And if that trend continues, then there's, homes for people to buy. And if prices are falling, that means the first-time home buyer may have a shot at that home.
But what about 7% 30-year fixed-rate mortgages? Is there any sign that that mortgage rate is going to come down appreciably in the future?
I'm glad you didn't pull the tape from me from 4 years ago when I said that mortgage rates would hit 2%, so I appreciate that, Stuart. But the fact of the matter is there's a problem brewing in the bond market. These treasury auctions that go on are creating a lot of volatility in the treasury market. Mortgage rates are tied to treasury yields, so I don't see interest rates coming down, writ large. So I think we have to, as home buyers and people in the industry, get used to the 7% mortgage. More likely to go to 8 than it is to go to 6.
Is there anything positive, really positive, that you can report for us this morning on the real estate market?
I'm seeing, even though last time I was on, I talked about home builder optimism being, at a multi-year low, I'm seeing home builders out there building homes, and they're building smaller homes because they're very focused on price. So people that want an entry-level new home, it may be a little smaller than the one you would have bought a couple of years ago, but I'm seeing activity amongst home builders. And again, I'll start with where the first question you asked me. I think 500,000 more homes on the market is a really good thing for the housing market, because you know what? When there was no homes on the market, they were slim pickings, and you were going to buy it and then run right to Home Depot to start fixing it up.
Every time we bring you on the show, I ask for a glimmer of hope, and you can usually provide me with something. That was pretty good.
Hopefully I did. Pretty good. I'm going to go for excellent next time.
Well, the English would say not bad. Depends on tone of voice, of course.